calculate lights in your room?
See dear, it's very simple. If you go by techniques and mathematically, how many LED lamps will you need to light up a certain room? Let's assume that your room is about 15 feet by 20 feet. That's about 300 square feet. So in a 300 square feet room at 65 lumens per square foot, you will need around 20,000 lumens to create the lux that you require, 300 to 500 lux in that room. Now to calculate 20,000, the bulb, which is about 15 watts, generates in the vicinity of 3,000 lumens. So you will get about 6 of such luminaires in that room to create that effect or create that lighting that you want. The question that you asked was how much illumination for a room. You get that? Now this is a technical answer to a technical subject, but there is an art overlay to this whole math where the lights can be used creatively to create different moods within the space. You have task lighting, you have ambient lighting, you have accent lighting. Now with the same lights or with the placement of different lights, you can create that, and that we will discuss in the coming reels.